Okay,
So today we're talking about seeds.
Yay! Today we're talking about seeds!
Yay. Planning our 2021 garden. Look at that. This is Birchwood Homestead. My name is Spencer. That's Atlas, my wife Carrie, and our other boy Blaze. Today we're talking about our 2021 garden plan. And we're gonna be unpacking our seeds that we got in the mail, see what we're gonna start planting this year. So check it out. Let's see what this is. What's going on here?
Should I bring Blaze over?
Yeah.
This thing. This reminds me of when I was little and my family would always wrap things in like the cartoon section of the newspaper. I should have done my nails before this video.
Oh goodness.
I'm gonna get so tired of me talking about stuff. Can I just rip it?
Yes.
Okay. I think this is from Snap.
We got a lot of seeds.
Wow.
I think I ordered more than I did last year.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first package, batch,
What's that?
Sugar Snap. And I don't know if these are all, okay, that's pea, tomato, tomato. Okay, we're gonna have to just like, here.
Yeah.
What about these ones? You wanna show the ones in here? Or maybe not all of them. I can do some. This is a really small package. Cherry tomato.
Yes!
There's only 2 people in our household that like, I can't do it that way. There's only two people in our household that like tomatoes. So these are for me and you. Cherry tomatoes. Yay. Ooh. And that's another tomato. Oh my goodness. How does he know how to do that?
There you go.
Okay, what's next there? What's under the tomatoes? There's a squash. Something about a sweet something.
Got it.
Will it?
Yep.
Oh
There you go.
yeah. I guess we ordered that.
What is that?
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Ooh, so we do have a wild garden. I remember this one because this one had a bajillion different varieties in it. I was pretty excited about this.
Wild
I think it
garden
had
lettuce
like
mix?
just
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
that you
yeah,
could
yeah.
ever want.
Yep.
Soil 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it says as early as soil can be worked.
And we can already work the freaking soil.
My mom wants to know, did you order any flowers for the bees? Oh yes, yes we did, Mom. We ordered, they're in here somewhere. So we got a shared calendar. We're gonna try to do this
Yeah, this will be a first.
new school. It took a lot actually to just even get this calendar up and running. Birchwood Homestead shared with Spencer D'Olive. Hooray. Uh-oh, no, don't want to do that. I don't actually know what I'm doing. Okay, what date do you think in February? I keep on saying February because some people in my family don't like it when people say February, I guess, or I don't know.
Okay. I guess we still haven't put our seeds in order yet.
Oh, okay.
So instead of looking at information about all the seeds, let's put them in spring, summer.
But I have February right here. You don't want to do it yet.
I'm not sure what
You're not,
plants we got going on here. So
But
like,
we only have 2 packages of peas.
yes, but there's like other things that are in spring as well. So I need to know like,
But can I just put the peas down? Why does it matter? The peas, are they going, like, is it because you have to organize it with the other ones that
well, if I want to start stuff in the greenhouse and out there, I have to know what's going in the greenhouse. because it's gonna go first. It's
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
go
yeah,
absolutely
yeah.
first. So I need to be putting down like earliest February. The first thing needs to be whatever's in the greenhouse. Peas aren't in the greenhouse.
I know, but we can just put them in here and then put them to the side, and then we're done the peas. Look, it's a calendar.
We have
you
different
can go,
ways
Look,
of,
you can go back to January. You can go.
used to get
You
on
can go
me
up and
about the
down.
fridge.
You
Organizing
can go
the fridge.
up and down. Okay, so we need to figure out which ones are going in the greenhouse then, right?
Yes. So now we're back outside. Gonna go check out what we got done on the greenhouse and see what else we can piece together. Got these pallets. This wire shelving came out of the garage, actually. I'm really excited to get started planting seeds. Just got our seeds in the mail the other day. It's gonna be so fun this year planting. I'm always excited to start seeds and get in the greenhouse and see what I can do and see how much I can grow this year. Do it all. I'm gonna do it all. Got all that stuff taken care of, and the greenhouse is pretty well set up on the inside. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you want, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button for us. If you're passionate about homesteading, man, we're gonna get into so much stuff next coming. It's gonna be great, so stick around for it. Oh yeah, I am in the bathroom, and that's where I edit. Quite crazy. This is a whole new setup for me. I'm super excited about it, super excited about this camera and the possibilities of learning something new and something that I actually was interested in as a kid in high school and stuff, but I never fully dove into it because life, I guess. Anyway, that's another story for another day.